Hello, I'm Jennifer, and for over 5 years, I've been part of the Food Staff Salinas team, your partner in achieving excellence in food production. Today, I want to spotlight a crucial aspect about food safety training. In our field, the stakes couldn't be higher. A single oversight can lead to recalls, health scares, and damage to our hard-earned reputation. That's why investing in our team's food safety knowledge is not just a necessity, but a responsibility.
Think of food safety training not as a cost, but as an investment in your company's future. With well-trained employees, the risks of contamination and the subsequent fallout can significantly decrease. It's about protecting our consumers, our brand, and our industry's integrity. At Food Staff Salinas, we believe that embracing comprehensive training programs is the first step towards industry compliance and excellence. Our commitment to this cause has not only improved food safety standards, but also enhanced operational efficiency. Join us in making food safety training a top priority. Together, we can ensure a safer, more reliable future in food production. Partner with Food Staff Salinas and let's set new benchmarks for quality and safety in our industry.